How to use Amazon Prime benefits. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can use Amazon Prime benefits. Well, to use Amazon Prime benefits, you want to first sign in and then set your address. Then you want to see the join Prime option. So you can see the join Prime option right here. So you'll have to join the Prime first. Make sure to subscribe to Prime and ensure you're signed into the account that you have signed. You can see you can get, and then it auto renews at $14.99 every month. You can cancel anytime as well. Then make sure to enter your default delivery address in your addresses on the account settings option. So head into settings, and once you head into settings, make sure to here the account settings, sorry, not the app settings. Then look for the Prime logo on when you're shopping. Look for the Prime logo on product pages and use the Prime filter in search results for only eligible items. Then you want to choose from options like free 2-day, 1-day or same-day delivery depending on availability. For groceries, look for ultra fast delivery options, and you can enjoy other perks such as Prime Video, exclusive deals, Grubhub Plus membership, and you can buy with Prime on other sites as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.